years old. Sakto, no? Sana magustuhan.
Labas na. Picture.
Ay. Ang ganda. Astig. So, magkano na lang siya? Dati siyang, 3,399. Ngayon, 2,499.
Amazing person that I've met. Thank you for inviting me. I wish you all, ang advice ko lang kayo is always ask God's guidance in every decision that you make. Study hard for you to achieve your dreams and always mag-follow sa mga sinasabi ni Mommy at ni Daddy. Continue to be a good boy to your mom and your dad, and God bless.
Thank you so much, Ate Sandra Dulay. So next, si Tita Nina. Thank you so much, Ate Elijah. Next, Carmela Dawn Garland. Next, Ate Lilia Mirona. Thank you so much, Ate Lilia. Next, Ate Ayla. So next is Ate Bruce Garland. Sean. So now let's proceed to 7 candles. So now, candles often reveal a sense of mystery in supernatural guidance. So it symbolizes purity as it may illuminate circumstances. It may also signify the 7 people in Kuya Jay's lives. So there are also the people who care for you and love. Thank you so much, Kuya Jasper. So next, Kuya Sean Hirona. So thank you so much, Kuya Sean. Medyo mahiyain ng 7 candles. Wow! Thank you so much, Kuya Martin. So, Kuya Prince Milton Marshall.
Ang bata yun isang kaklase ko.
Happy birthday, Kuya GL. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kuya Prince. So next, si Kuya Khalil Claudio. Thank you so much, Kuya Khalil. So next is Angelo Garland. So thank you so much, Kuya Angelo. So ang last namin, si Kuya Mark Bernardo Esquilio.
Ako po ni Mama, no?
So thank you so much, Good Mark Bernardo.
Ay, ito na babae na.
So, take the picture. Hello. So now, Kuya JL, you can blow now ang imo 7 candles. So, sa ating 7 candles, maaari ko pa po Kuya, 1, 2, 3, blow! 2, So now, let us now proceed to the most important part of this party. So dance and flowers often symbolize the degrees of love and affections, but they can also send a variety of message. Seven dance.
Ano yung napinsa na duwa? Trako lang. Trako lang. Wala siya. Ganda.
Your handsome boy. Thank you so much.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good soul food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be.
Thank you so much.
Ano sa sabi niya. At lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami sa iyo palagi at lalag ka ng lahat. At magpapasalamat din tayo sa nagbigay sa atin ng lugar para mapagamit tayo ng maninuhani, yayanin. Salamat po, yayanin, sa pagpagamit mo sa sarili mo, lugar na harap ko kung isipon, business ini na lugar niyo. Pero inhatagan mo si Bibisin, anong talo na galing sa lugar. Okay, thank you. I love you so much.
Busy. Napakabibo sila bata.
I will not forget things and do good things.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mami Hilda and
Gia.
Kuya Gio. So, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, nandito po out para masayahin yung mga bata. Okay? Para lang sa mga isip bata. Okay, magpakabusog muna tayo bago tayo magsisimula sa ating palaro. Okay? Sige lang, kain muna kayo.
Kuya JM.